Now that I've created a recipe in Glazy, let's see what we can do with it. The first thing you may notice is this icon next to the name. This means that the recipe is private and cannot be viewed by anyone else. If I click the Publish button, that means the recipe will be made visible to everyone. I can bookmark the recipe, either in an existing bookmark folder or in a new test folder. I can copy the recipe, export it into various software programs, print a label, edit the metadata info, for instance, update the description, or edit the recipe itself in the calculator. Below this information is the recipe itself. If I want to make a batch of, say, 100 grams of this recipe, I just put 100 into the batch calculator, and then it will show me each recipe ingredient amount.